Okay, I've been waiting for the Calibre Biometrics VO2max mask sensor for a while, and it finally arrived. So I'm going to unpack that here. See what it's like. Okay. First box. Funny thing is actually they ship this via UPS, although they're like about 10 miles from my house, but it finally arrived. Okay. QR code for user manual. Back of stuff. USB cable. Oh, and here it is. Okay. It's much smaller than I thought. That's it. And a bunch of straps. Okay, let's see whether we can put this together. It's a mask, and I guess this is the sensor. Be really careful. Oh, I see. This is a spare plug. This one in here. And I guess it goes in here. Somehow. Oh no, it goes in here. Okay. That's the whole thing. It's super small. I'll charge it and try it out and let you guys know.